I think I'm gonna put you underneath my shirt because this is how the professionals do it, and I'm a professional. Hi. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I am excited for this video because it is a Sephora haul. I recently made a purchase when they were having their VIB holiday sale. As you guys know, Sephora is pretty pricey. So when they have a sale, you gotta take advantage. So I am a Rouge member, so everything that I got was 20% off. I didn't go too crazy. I feel like I controlled myself this time. I usually go a little crazy when they have the sales, but I don't know, I didn't really this time. Well, sort of, but not really. Well, kind of, I don't know. I'm pretty excited about all the things that I got and I can't wait to share them with you guys. So if you guys are interested in seeing what I purchased, then go ahead and please keep on watching. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel before you leave and also like this video. Thank you. Okay, let's jump right into it. I'm not going to go in any particular order. I'm just going to grab whatever's in front of me and yeah, go from there. Okay, so I picked up my favorite lip pencil and it's MAC's Strip Down. I love this lip liner. I feel like I honestly don't need any other lip liner besides this because this is amazing. It's very creamy. It lasts all day on my lips and the shade is perfect. It's like a nude brownie kind of color. I'm wearing it right now on my lips. And yeah, just looks like this. I'm sure all of you guys, well, not all of you, but I'm sure a lot of you guys have this in your makeup collection. And if you don't, you should pick one up because it's really good. So I guess I'll just stick with MAC. I also picked up the MAC Prep and Prime Fix Plus. This stuff is amazing. It could be used as a skin refresher, finishing mist, or even just a setting spray. It takes all of your makeup, all the powder that you've put on your face, and it just melts it into your skin, leaving you with this nice, refreshed makeup look. And I notice such a difference when I run out and I don't repurchase it. I just use my regular setting spray. I just feel like my makeup does not look quite the same. And so yeah, I'm always stocking up on this guy because it's amazing. So if you have not tried this, definitely recommend that you do. Or if you notice that your makeup, once you're done, it's kind of looking cakey or it just looks too powdery, try this and I promise you, you'll fall in love and you will always be just stocking up on it because it's that good. Another thing I picked up from MAC is the MAC Prep and Prime Natural Radiance Base Lumiere. This I got a little sample of a while ago and then I also purchased one after that because I fell in love with it. This is a natural radiance illuminating primer. So you smooth this all over your face before you add your foundation and it just gives you this really nice, beautiful, luminous glow to your skin. I love it. And it does have like a little bit of like shimmer in it, but you do not see that after you apply your foundation. It just gives you this really nice, glowy kind of look. And I believe it comes in 2 different shades and the one that I got is the yellow one. There's like a yellow one and then there's also a pink one, so I just picked up the yellow. I used to be really into like matte flat finishes on my face, but now as I'm getting older, as my skin is aging, I am more into that glowy, dewy, plumpy looking kind of skin. I love that glow and yeah, I feel like that does that for my skin. I've never tried this before, but I've heard great things about it, so I decided to pick it up. This is the Believe True Cream Aqua Bomb. It says, our belief to deliver instant moisture explosion with Lady's Mantle Extract, a moisturizing herb. This refreshing gel cream provides weightless yet intensive hydration. Now that winter has arrived, my skin becomes very dry. And so, like I said, I like to keep it hydrated, very plumpy looking and healthy. I'm definitely looking forward to trying this. Ooh, that's nice. It smells good. I'm going to rub some actually on the back of my hand because I'm curious to see how that feels. Ooh, very nice. It's not thick at all and it just melts right into your skin. I love the way that that feels. I cannot wait to try that. I also picked up the Laneige Lip Sleeping Mask, but I picked mine up in vanilla. I have tried this before, but I tried the, the original one, the one that's, I think it's like berry or something, but I wanted to try the vanilla one. So it just looks like this. This will last you for about a year. Whoop. Smells just like vanilla. I'm telling you, this makes your lips feel so nice. You put it on before bed, or sometimes I even put it on while I'm doing my eye makeup, just so that my lips are being prepped for liquid lipstick, because liquid lipstick can be just so drying. So this makes your lips feel so moisturized, so hydrated, so plump, so juicy. I love this. I'm sure you guys have probably seen so many people rave and talk about this. And the reason is because it's really good and it lasts you a really long time. So I can't wait to use that. Another thing I picked up is the Laura Mercier Translucent Setting Powder. I remember I tried a little small sample of this a long time ago. I loved it, but I just never purchased it, I guess just because it is a little bit pricey, but I thought I will this time. It's a sale, so why not? So this is a setting powder. It's supposed to be like the best one on the market. This is what it looks like. I'm sure a lot of you guys have seen it. Beautiful packaging. I cannot wait to start using it. I probably won't start using it till next month because I still have some of my Too Faced peach one that I always love to use. That one is really good as well. They say that this one is like the best one out there, and it's just so finely milled that it doesn't like set into your lines or anything like that. It just blurs any imperfections and just gives you a very nice, silky, smooth finish. So can't wait to dig into that. I also picked up the Too Faced Born This Way Super Coverage Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer. I got mine in a natural beige. This is a repurchase, a restock. It's very hydrating underneath your eyes. It does not crease under your eyes. I have a lot of fine lines under my eyes, and that's something that I struggle with, especially when I'm wearing concealer and powder. I just feel like sometimes my lines are exaggerated and I hate it. And I find that this concealer does not do that. It does not dry my under eyes. It's very hydrating, it's long wearing, and it does not cause any flashback. It is pricey and I hate that. Another thing that I hate about this though as well is that it's really hard to get all the product out because you cannot remove the stopper that's inside. I don't know if you guys know what I'm talking about. I did a video about it, how to remove like the stoppers, and you can't with this one. So yeah, that's kind of annoying because I feel like when I throw it out, there's still probably just so much product in there, and it just it bothers me. We're almost done here. I just have a couple more items to show you guys. I also picked up the Hoola Benefit Bronzer. This is one of my favorite bronzers of all time. I have other favorite bronzers. I have some that I love from the drugstore, and I also like the Fenty by Rihanna. Her bronzers, those are really nice too. But for some reason, I just always go back to Hoola. It's really good. It never makes, I'm wearing it right now, it never makes my contour look muddy. It never like gets weird on my cheek. It lasts all day long, and I just love the shade as well. It's just perfect. This brush that comes with it is also amazing. It's perfect for contouring the sides of your nose. And I use this almost every single day and it will last me a year. The last time I got one was because you can check, you know, on Sephora when was the last time you purchased something, and it says the last time I purchased this was in November of last year. So, and I'm just finishing mine up right now. So yeah, it lasted me a whole year. I definitely recommend this bronzer if you feel like your bronzers become like muddy looking or they just don't set right. Try the Hoola bronzer. Oh, it's my holy grail. I always go back to it and I love it. Another thing I picked up, and this is my second time purchasing it, is the Sephora Micro Smooth Baked Face Powder. And this one is in medium beige. This, you guys, is so good. So this is a powder that you put on your face just to set your makeup. I use it to set my face all over or just to touch up my makeup whenever I see that I'm getting oily. This is it's just so beautiful. I'm wearing it today and I just love it so much, and that's why I had to get another one. It's just so finely milled, and when you go like this, like it's just so buttery and it just like melts into your skin. It's amazing. I don't know what else to say. It just makes your makeup look so nice. It doesn't make you look cakey. You know how some powders can make you look too like cakey or powdery, or just clings on to any dry spots on your face. This does not do that, just because it's so finely milled and it's just so buttery. It just disappears onto your skin. I would recommend using this with a big fluffy brush. You should get one because it's amazing. I just keep saying amazing. I don't know what else to say, but it's just, it's really good and it's amazing. It really is. It's amazing. Do I have my mic on? Yes. Okay. So something else that I had my eye on and I've been wanting to purchase for a while is the Ambient Lighting Powder by Hourglass. So the shade that I ended up getting is Luminous Light. I decided to get the mini because I wasn't sure if I was going to like it. The larger one is pretty pricey. I think it's like $60, and this one was $32, I believe. So it just looks like this. It's so cute, very small. I'm using it today and I am in love with it. So this is just a nice finishing kind of powder. It's supposed to just illuminate your face and give you just a beautiful, nice glow. You could use it as a highlighter, but it's not as intense as your regular highlighters. This is very soft. I have it on today, and I don't know if you can tell, but I feel like my face looks glowy. It looks healthy. It looks like it's got a nice like glow. No, I don't know. That's what it looks like to me. But I also noticed like it looks amazing in the evening time. It's like the lighting isn't so harsh. It's like a nice warm light. And I just feel like your skin just looks so beautiful and glowy. And it just, I just love it. I don't know how to explain it, but I am in love with this. And even though this is a mini, I feel like it's going to last me a long time. But yeah, I am in love. I'm very impressed, and I definitely recommend you picking one of these up if you are looking for something that's going to give you like a subtle kind of glow. And I don't know, I can't explain it, but I just love how it looks like on my cheeks. I struggle with texture, and sometimes when I wear highlighter, I feel like you can really see my texture. So I've always been looking for something that isn't going to make my texture stand out more, but I do want a glow on my cheeks, you know what I mean? Like I want to have that dewy kind of glow look. When I put highlighter on, I feel like it just defines my texture too much. But this, I find like it just blurs my texture out, but it still gives me that nice glow that I want. So I'm loving this. Probably one of my favorite buys so far, just because I just love the way it makes my face look. So I also picked up the Brazilian Bum Bum Cream. This smells amazing. I'm sure you guys have heard about this. You've heard everyone talking about the scent. This smells like a caramel, pistachio, salted peach. I don't know, it smells like summer. It just smells like holiday. It smells so good. It's my favorite scent ever. Let me just smell it. Oh yeah, it's so good. Whenever I wear this, people are like, oh my God, something smells really good. What is that? And I'm like, it's me. I'm like, smell my arm. Oh, it's so good. I'm in love. It's pricey though, very pricey. So don't use it every day. Okay, last but not least, I'm sure you guys are like, wow, she didn't buy any makeup palettes. I did, I got one. The one that I got is Huda Beauty's Nude Medium. So I ended up picking up this. I loved the colors. I felt like I can use this in my everyday life. This is what the shades look like. Very beautiful. I have never owned a Huda Beauty palette before, but I've heard nothing but great things. Her palettes are pretty pricey, so I decided to just get a mini one because yeah, I don't really want to spend $80 or $90 on a makeup palette. So I decided to just get this, and like I said, this is like a palette that I can use every day. It's an everyday kind of palette, but there's some shimmers in there if you want to, you know, add a pop of color, or you're going out or whatever, or for Christmas time, you know, you want to add some shimmer, or for New Year's. Yeah, it's got shimmers in there. So that's all I got from the Sephora holiday sale. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and you pick some of these items up. I'm telling you, they're really good. And I definitely recommend all the products that I have shown you here, except for the ones like I haven't tried, which is pretty much just the Believe cream. That's the only thing I haven't tried, and this guy. Let me know if you guys would like to see a tutorial using this palette, and I will do that for you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. I'm sorry that I haven't been uploading too much. I'm just honestly like, I don't know. I don't know why I haven't filmed, but I am going to try to get back into it. I redid my beauty room. As you guys can see, it used to be like a brownie beige color and now it's gray. I'm super happy with it. I love the way it turned out. It's not complete yet, but once it is, I will show you guys the before and after. So stay tuned for that. And yeah, that's it. Thanks so much for watching. I will see you guys in my next video.